Alright guys, like the title says, we'll be taking a look at the Spigen's tempered glass screen protector for your S25 Ultra. Alright, I picked this up on Amazon. I will leave the link in the description. As you can see, it comes with, well, I'll show you. It comes with two screen protectors. Right there is your squeegee. That's your styrofoam for the back of your phone. I'll show you in a second how to use that. Alright, there's one and there's two. Alright, let's open up this envelope. I'm pretty sure this is your cleaning kit for your screen. Yeah, your lens cleaner, dust removal, and a little rag there. Alright, put all this to the side. Here's the instructions to improve your fingerprint recognition. Basically what you can do is just go into your phone settings after you apply the screen protector and turn up the screen sensitivity. All right, just a quick wipe down. This is a styrofoam piece I was telling you about. It's for the back of your phone to protect your lenses while you lay it flat so you can apply the screen protector. All right, we're gonna speed through this part here so you can see what's going on. Just peeling off the film and applying the screen protectors. It's really that simple. All right, take off the holder and you just peel off this last piece of film, and that's it. And you apply the screen protector. You come back through with your squeegee. Might have a bubble or two. Yeah, just smooth them out. And just like that, it's on. Let's check out the sensitivity. Shouldn't have no issues. I never usually do with Spigen's. And yeah, the screen protector's on. You can barely see it there if you pause. It's real thin. More Ultra 25 videos on the way. Thanks for watching.